Hello subscribers, this is Ps4 with Ps4 Skylanders. Ready?
This place fills me with excitement.
Come on.
This guy's slow.
Because he's a giant. He's supposed to kill. He's supposed to kill guys, mostly. Okay, now try to kill these guys. They're supposed to be a giant. Why are you doing that, Mom? You always get in the camera.
Oh, so I'm trying to go under so it doesn't.
They always see you, Mom. You've been in like 20 videos. Passing by.
Can I go this way? It's okay. I call that.
Okay, so we got a new hat. The Gacho hat. You wanna wear it? Yeah? Okay,
What does the gotcha hat do?
oh no, it doesn't do anything. Nah, you wanna just keep your hat on? The one you have right now? It's a graduate hat. So
Yeah.
it looks like it looks like you graduated high school or something. You got high school education.
Skylanders of the air elements are stronger in this zone.
There you go.
Okay, now let's go down.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Go on. Dance. Don't land. Ah, okay. Sorry. Get the last one. Yes. Do you see all the cats all the the squirrels, they all are like
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Wait. How are we gonna get this? Ow! Ow!
Can't kill him, huh?
Ow! This better be worth it. It's money.
Right now.
Make it rain!
There you go.
Come on, let's go, go before the.
Looks like somebody swiped the handle. We need to track it down.
Someone always swipes the handle. Like, come on, like, are you serious?
Oh,
Look, I'm a big boy, I got my bed. Oh no, someone broke my bed. I gotta go to the next bed.
you know, happy?
This is my bed, okay? You can get your bed. Keep on jumping on it. You broke your bed.
I did?
Yeah.
I didn't.
I broke 2 of my beds.
You say my little rat tail.
We always say you're a little rat tail. Okay, I'm gonna go in there for a second.
Hey, where was that? Oh, it's not for me.
I'm gonna go in there for a second. I need... Who needs money? And I'll just use the Reginald guy. Press time stop.
Huh?
Press time stop. Oh, never mind. Actually, no. Train coming. I can tell. Time stop. Time stop. No. Oh, no. So. Oh, I see a soul gem up there. Do you see it?
Huh?
Do you see that?
Where?
There's a soul gem
Getting it
up
done.
there.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, we gotta find a way down there. Wait, I have an idea. Don't we go in there? But let's like jump from here. How are we gonna do that?
Jump from here?
Yeah, how are we gonna do that?
To where?
We're trying to get down there.
Oh, just jump.
No, we can't. It won't let it. It won't let us. Maybe if we go through here, maybe there's a way we can. First, let me jump on the bed.
Not bad. Ah.
Breaking out this heavy artillery. We need to get topside pronto.
You see how they're shooting their bullets? Let's break the beds. Oh, you already broke that one. You broke all your beds. There's gotta be a way down there. Wait, maybe if we jump from here. No, there's not a. There's gotta be a way. Wait, maybe through here. Yeah, I knew it. It's gotta be one of these. Okay, move.
Ooh.
Okay, yeah, you're the. Okay, now you can move a little bit.
Where is it? Okay.
No, get yours. Get your green one. Go.
How do I get that?
Oh wait, I need to press the button. Get it.
How do you get it?
No wait, yeah. Okay.
There you go. I don't know how you did that.
Oh.
Now come to me. Just come to me. Okay, now we could probably find the area we need to get to. There's gotta be a way.
Where bad is this?
Yeah, break your bed. I'll be looking for the area to get out. Okay, let's leave.
So what is all that jewelry for?
To get money so we can get upgrades or something? Or buy hats? Okay, now let's just go that way. We gotta start battling.
Who's that?
A bad guy. And a squirrel.
Realized Kango.
Now he's evil. Oh no. you're about to die, I'll take off the guy. No, I'm saying if you're about to die, take off the guy. Or I'll take it off for you. Tell me you're about to die.
Alright, partner. Let's you and me make it rain pirates out here. Hop in the cannon when you're ready.
That's two. Just one more airship.
Okay, now it's a checkpoint. Now we can save here. Let's go here. Yeah? And we'll finish the video off here.
The tech element are stronger in this zone.
Oops. And I forgot you. Okay, don't die. No!
Here's the essence. Where'd he go?
Wait, no, go back that way. No, go back that way. Come on, I forgot, I saw something over here.
Every bit counts.
You should have came. There's money over there. No! Oh, we have to go back all the way here.
Right here.
Come on, faster. Okay, now. Stay on it.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Ah. Jeez.
That legendary
That's
treasure.
happens when you're a giant. You can't jump for it.
Yep.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey see, and then the monkey does what he needs to do.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
You want to get an upgrade? Oh yeah, never mind. No, we'll do that at the end. Let's see how much time we have. I think we have enough to do a minute. Come on, let's go in here. Okay, I'll get the last one. Dancing. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video here, okay? Please subscribe, hit the like button, and stay loyal for more Ps4 Force and Call of Duty Ghosts. Okay.